Hello guys, Space Mice, and today we are going to be going over the red dust on the moon theory. And now, it's not a theory, it's been proven. On the moon, I believe Apollo 14, I do not actually recall which Apollo it was, but it was either Apollo 14 or 13. No, I'm sorry, Apollo 14 or 15. And when they were on the moon, they dug a little bit, and what they found was red rock and red dust. And this means that it could either be just red dust on the moon or something bigger. As if, what if maybe the moon is just another Mars?
Or it could either be Mars dust could somehow flew off the surface of Mars and probably land on the moon.
This is my friend John.
We never know the true explanation.
Yes, we never know the true explanation. That is my friend John. John is joining us, sort of, since this is New Year's Eve. I invited him over, and since I decided to record tonight with y'all, he's in the video. So, hello, John. But as John stated, yes, it could have just somehow been able to, Mars dust been able to float from the moon, as you can see on this side, all the way from this footprint to the Mars side.
But how did that happen? How can Mars dust get on the moon? Because the moon and Mars is like 1,000 miles apart. So how could that happen?
John's got a point. If the moon is like the moon and Mars are like 1,000 miles apart, how can it just do that? Now there are a few explanations for it. One, we don't know how long the moon and Mars have been honestly there before we even got in space. So it could have been there before we even got in space. So it could have been there forever and we wouldn't have known about it. So there are so many explanations that we don't know. But we do know that if the moon is just another Mars, then if we're able to sustain a little bit of life on the moon, we could definitely sustain a little bit of life on Mars. Now, there's a theory that if this is just another Mars, then why didn't we look for water here? Because we have done that, and there is no water.
People had theorized that there could have been possibly freeze water in the polar ice caps in the northern hemisphere of Mars, and people are really fascinated with like the northern hemisphere of Mars because some people theorize that there could be some kind of microorganism hibernating beneath the surface of the organic oxide layer of what's it called when Mars is very similar to metal, and when it gets exposed to the air it rusts. That's the same thing as Mars because Mars dust is basically the same thing as rust.
I see. So he's got a point. Mars could just be a rusted moon pretty much, or the moon could be just a dusty, rusted Mars. You never know. But as he also stated, there could be frozen water in the northern hemisphere, or organisms living up there in the northern hemisphere of Mars. We do not know. But many people theorize and enjoy thinking about that. Is there anything else you would like to input? So that's all I got today.
But usually when you see an image of Mars, there's usually like a giant canyon like in front of it. I don't know if it's a canyon or just like some spark on the surface of Mars. I don't know, but some people theorize that could have been a war on Mars because that's
As I said in my previous video.
what I've seen.
As I've stated in my previous video.
That's what I've seen.
I know. But it could be just like I said 3 times already this video. Just like this. The moon could be another Mars. So the Mars could be another moon. And the works is that if the moon has craters and the Mars has craters, they could be one and the same. We just don't know it yet. And that's gonna do it for us today, guys. So thank you guys for taking your time to watch today. A big shout out, our first shout out on the channel, to Mr. John. And that's gonna do it. So thank you guys, and we will see you guys on the next one. Happy space travels.